गजानन गोवर्धनो में दिशता। जिस समय में वज्र उनके ऊपर में पड़ रहा था तो कृष्ण उनको अपने हाथों को धारण किया था, इसलिए उनको इतना सुख हुआ कि वज्र गिरने पर भी उनको मालूम होता है मेरी खुजली हो रही है। बस इतना कृष्ण प्रेम में ये गोवर्धन जी हैं। और इसीलिए ये क्या कहलाते हैं, हरिदास वर्ग, जो तुलसी से भी श्रेष्ठ है, उद्धव से भी, और ये कृष्ण का सब प्रेम देशक, सभी कृष्ण की लीलाओं की ये साक्षी है। अब कल हमने बतलाया था राधा जी को मूर्छित देकर के गोपियां उनके प्रति उनकी सहानुभूति हो गई और फिर उनको किसी प्रकार से पानी इत्यादि से मूर्छा छुड़ाया और पूछा ये क्या हुआ, तुम क्यों मूर्छित हो गए? तो हमको भी सौभाग्य का मत हो गया, ये कृष्ण हमारे ही हैं और मेरे ही अधीन हैं, इसलिए कृष्ण हमें छोड़ करके भी चले गए। गोपियों ने कहा अच्छा अब कृष्ण को यहाँ ढूंढने से कृष्ण और कबीर अंगार बनने जाएंगे, उनको बहुत कष्ट होगा, इसलिए हम लोग लौट करके जमुना पुल में जहां पहले रास हो रहा था वहीं पर चले। वो सब गोपियां मिल करके वहां गई और सभी मिल करके बड़े करुण स्वर से रोने लगी। उनका रोना महिलाओं का हमने देखा कि रोती है तो उसके साथ में कुछ ऐसा गान करती हैं, क्या जाने आप लोग करती हैं कि नहीं, किंतु इंडिया में बहुत ऐसी हैं, रोएंगी तो गान करेंगे और वो इसके लिए रो रही हैं, उसी को गान में छंदोबद्ध कर देंगे। तो उन्होंने बड़े ही सुस्वर से क्रंदन करते हुए रोते हुए और वो गाने लगी, पुकारने लगी कृष्ण को, जयति तेधिकं जन्मना प्रजा स्वरतेन्द्रिरा शाश्वतत्र हि दैतदृश्यता दीक्षु सावका त्वयि धृता सब त्वां विचिन्वते तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि क्रीडन्ति ते भूरिदा जना। ओ रोती रोती कहने लगी, ओ कृष्ण प्यारे कृष्ण, जयति अधिकम जन्म लाभ, ब्रज में तुम्हारा जन्म होने के कारण ब्रज लक्ष्मी श्री युक्त हो गया है, सारी संपत्तियां ब्रज में आ गई हैं, सभी ब्रजवासियों को बहुत संपत्ति हो गई है, यहाँ के बड़े बड़े सुंदर कुंज हो गए हैं। वो श्री जो नारायण की पत्नी है वहां यहाँ आकर के कुंजों में झाड़ू दे रही है और कुंजों में सुंदर फूल खिले हुए हैं, भौरे गुंजार कर रहे हैं, बड़ी इसकी विचित्र शोभा हो गई है। श्रैत इंदिरा स्वस्थ, वो लक्ष्मी जी यहाँ पर सेवा करती हैं। दैत दृश्यतां दिक्षु सावका, ओ प्यारे कृष्ण तुम हमारे प्राण हो, हम तुम्हारी हैं, तुम्हारे अतिरिक्त हमारा कोई नहीं है, इसलिए संसार को तो सुख दे रहे हो और हमें क्यों दुख दे करके हम मरने जा रही हैं तुम्हारे विरह में और तुम हमें दर्शन नहीं दे रहे। हमें यदि दर्शन दो, हम तुम्हारी हैं, यदि मर जाएंगी तो तुम ही को दुख होगा, हमारे बिना तुम रह नहीं सकते, इसलिए जल्दी से हमें दर्शन दो। इसी तरह से वो कृष्ण से प्रार्थना करने लगे। अब हमारे तीर्थ महाराज जी संक्षेप में कुछ बतलाएंगे। मुख्य श्लोक मुख्य श्लोक।
Indra became very angry at the words of Krishna, therefore he was casting his thunderbolts on the head of Giriraj. But that time Lord Shiva, who is also known as Chakleshwar, he made sure that the thunderbolts would not strike Giriraj. But Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, Sukhanubhutya, that time Giriraj felt the blows of the thunderbolts of Indra to be like a pleasant scratching because of the happiness he felt being touched by the lotus hand of Krishna. Therefore the gopis have said, Ya Gopika Burudito Haridasa Vadajo, O Govardhan, you are the best of the servants of Krishna. You are the witness to all the pastimes of Krishna and the Brijavasis. Please be kind to me. Last night we discussed that when Krishna left Radhika, Srimati Radhika fell unconscious. That time the other gopis, when they saw Radhika on the ground, they also felt sympathy towards her and they revived her by fanning and by putting water on her face. They said, Oh Radhika, Radhe, we were proud because we thought Krishna is mine only. But to break our pride, Krishna left us. But if we chase him, obviously Krishna does not want us. If we chase him and pursue him, he will go further into the forest of Vrindavan. Therefore he will experience difficulty because his lotus feet are so soft. He will suffer. Therefore the gopis return to the bank of the Yamuna, and there they begin singing the verses of Gopi Geet. Actually, this is not singing, this is weeping. Some people have the ability, when they weep, it comes out as a song. Therefore, this is the chanting of the gopis. They pray, Jayati Kedikam Janmana Vraja Srayati Indira Sastadatrihi. O Krishna, since your appearance in Vrindavan, Vrindavan became fortunate. Indeed, even Lakshmi, the wife of Srinarayan, she descended here. That's why all wealth, beauty, opulence and good fortune has also appeared in Brajamandal. Even though Lakshmi is the wife of the Supreme Lord, Srinarayan, still, even she desires seva. Therefore she comes here to Vrindavan and sweeps the forest kunjas. With her came all type of beauty and opulence, decorating the kunjas of Vrindavan. Therefore the gopis pray, Daita Drishikam, O Daita, O Krishna, our life are in you, therefore we cannot die. Also, even though without you we cannot live, still, if we die, if you hear that we have left our bodies in separation from you, then you cannot remain without us, therefore you will also suffer. Therefore you should return and give us darshan for your enjoyment, otherwise we will leave our bodies quickly.
Ravi Gaura Chandraya Radhikaye Tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah. First of all, I offer my thousands of senses, lotus feet of Srila Guru Pad Padma, and all Vaishnavas, all Sannyasi Vrinda, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, mothers, sisters and brothers, please accept my Dandavat pranams. So Gurudev, yesterday and now present, spoke about Sri Ras Leela, Ras festival. So, Ras festival, Ras Leela. This Ras Leela is highest Leela. Sri Krishna tested Braja Gopis mood. So Braja Gopis, when they were young age and Kaishwar age, that time they had pure mood. So Radhika also, Vrishabhana Nandani Sri Radha, she is home of Mahabharata. And all Braja Gopis, there are so many kinds. Sadhan Siddha, Nitya Siddha. So Gurudev also already spoke these things. Sadhan Siddha, Rishi Chari, Muni Chari, Suti Chari, so many kinds. And demigods, so they become Braja Gopis. They are coming. They have mood. And they want to serve Sri Krishna. But Sri Krishna, how accept them? Then he called all Braja Gopis. At that time when Sri Krishna came in Brajabhumi in Vrindavan, that time when first time he had seen, so Brahma Ratri Mupagata, thousands Juga came in 12 years night. So at that time so long came. And all season flowers, everything blossoming is there. Everything, all things come together. That time, so he has seen full moon. When moon rising, that time, so Arun Varna, new Kumkum color. That time he meditated. Radhika's face, Radhika's face is like moon face. And golden color. That time he meditated Rama Adana Abham. Rama means Lakshmi Devi, goddess of fortune, but there are most fortune, so Vrishabhana Nandani Sri Radha. And all Braja Gopis, they are all are Gopi, Lakshmi. So Sri Krishna meditated them. At that time he called all Braja Gopis and he chanted Gopal mantra, so very attractive. Powerful mantra. At that time all Braja Gopis attracted mood, they came. Sri Krishna wants to taste their mood. How can taste? Only Vrishabhana Nandini Sri Radha is Mahabharata form. He wants to taste Radhika's mood, but all Braja Gopis, they are coming. When they are following to Radha, that time they can get some one drop of mood, Radhika's mood. At that time Sri Krishna playing with them. So when they have something mood, oh, we are very fortunate because Sri Krishna is our beloved. We are playing together. So at that time Sri Krishna disappeared from there. Why? When Sri Radhika was sulky mood and she thought, oh, everyone, all are same. Not same. Who had fortune mood? Oh, I am very fortune. So I am serving Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna becomes happy. So we are serving Sri Krishna, no anything else. And Nishkam pure mood, serving to Sri Krishna, so everything same. That time Sri Radhika was sulky mood, she went from there. Because Sri Krishna wants to give pure mood to, and everyone they can follow to Radharani. Because so many persons, Sadhan Siddha Braja Gopis, they are coming, but they are not following to Radharani and Nitya Siddha associates Sangha. So that time necessary to give their Radhika's praying mood, then they can follow to Radharani. That time Sri Krishna went already with Radharani and decorated her. She is Sadhana Bhartrika. So best they wrote this thing. So Sadhana Bhartrika, topmost 1 billion Braja Gopis, there are only one person, Sri Radhika is topmost showing these things. After then Sri Krishna disappeared from there. Then all Braja Gopis came near Radharani. Then they had seen, oh, Radhika is fainting and she is weeping. So, He Nath He Ramana Prestva Kvasi Kasi Mahabhuja Das दास्यास्ते कृपणया मे सखे दर्शय स्वनिधि। हे नाथ, हे Preshta, हे my beloved, हे Krishna, so I joked with you, so you left me, disappeared from here. So, oh Mahabhuja, where are you? At that time she had deep separations. And that time, so Brajagopi told, so we searched everywhere, no found anywhere. So he is hiding very rare place. So everywhere lightning, so we had seen, there is nothing. So he is hiding. So we cannot go anywhere. So now we are singing, if Sri Krishna will come, okay. Or otherwise he is not coming, so will we die and everyone going from here. In this way, in this mood, then Brajagopi is singing. Oh, He Nanda Nandana Jasoda Jivana He Damodara He Sri Madhava He Nanda Nandana Jasoda Jivana He Damodara He Sri Madhava Jagati Teri Kam Jamana Braja Shayandira Shasadatrahi Daika Vishaka Vishundavaka Kairita Shava Nanda Nandana Jashoda Jivana He Damodara He Sri Madhava Sarudasaye Sarudasa Sarasi Jodara Shri Musadrisha Suratanathate Ashurasika singing. Very deep mood. They are praying to Sri Krishna. Oh my dear Sri Krishna, when he took birth in Brajabhumi, at that time Lakshmi Devi came and she saw already Rama, Kiran, Abhun river. That time so Lakshmi Ji playing every year in Vrindavan. And thousands times and thousands times always serving you. So everyone be happy. But your very dearest Brajagopi, how much happy when you will see by your eyes, at that time you will be happy. You can understand. Oh, my dear Krishna, you are Daita. Daita means beloved. But you are Daita, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told. So, outside showing very nice, very beautiful, very sweet. But inside you are breaking our heart by the knife. Oh my dear Krishna. So we have fallen, so you left me. Saradu das ye sadhu jatas. Oh, Sri Krishna. Anyone killing by the weapons, but your side long glass, so always killing us. That is not arrows. So this arrow you are killing us. So you steal our mind, heart, knowledge, everything. We have nothing. Only we have body. So we offer all things. So if our life, our mind, heart, senses staying in our body, so very easily we can go. So always you save us. So many kinds in Brajabhumi, many troubles came. That time so many problems, so many demons came. And you save us when Kaliya snakes, they are poisonous, too much poisons. So you save us by the Kali snakes. You took Giriraj Govardhan, so Devra Indra gave too much rains. At that time you save us. And all the time when Aristasura came, that time you killed Aristasura, so save us. But this time, so we are following your separation ocean. So how can we get? Oh my dear Sri Krishna, so you are our beloved. So we request you. You are taken so everyone. So you are Jashoda Nandan, sons of Mata Jashoda. So we love you, but this time we feel you are not sons of Jashoda. You are Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. When Brahma came, prayed you, oh my dear Sri Krishna, so you are coming in this world, so everyone worship you, and that time they are getting liberation, so everyone going. Then this Brahmanda will be empty, nobody have. Then how can live and how can move, how can do creations? So then he prayed at that time, so you did all opposite mood, opposite things, stealing butter, stealing our clothes, and stealing our mind, heart, everything. And anyone they can't understand, so you are God. Oh Sakhe, you are my friend. So Brahma prayed, so you are hiding himself. Now you are hiding. You don't want to come here. Pranata Deshanam Papa Karsanam Saragata Jan. Who is taking shelter? You are taken there, all sins were and bad activities, everything finished there, all sins. And you put your feet on Kaliya, who is on the head, and dance there. So this is possible. You are Lakshmi Niketan. So Lakshmi Devi always taking your lotus feet in her heart and mind. So always taking. But, oh my dear Sri Krishna, so you must come in our heart and take up our all desires. So we are falling. Oh my dear Sri Krishna, Tava Kathamratam Tapta Jivanam. Your Katha is very sweet, pure nectar. Everyone hearing your Katha, then they become happy. But, and hearing Hari Katha, Sri, all epaulets, all oils, everything coming. Sri Mudatatam. But your Katha is Mridam, cutting our heart and breaking our heart. So when we hear your Katha, at that time we forgot our family life, all relative. So always we are moving, always coming in forest, and you are going other way. So we are weeping and weeping. This is our life. Tava Katha Mritam Trapta Jivanam Kavi Vidiritam Kalmasapaham. Kavi, poetry men, sadhus, they are speaking. This is Kalmasapaham, all kalmas, all problems will be solved. But Srimadattatam Puvigindanti Je Purita Jana. Who is speaking, they are big donor. But we think they are not big donor. They are cutting our heart. Mind. In this way, Brajagopi, they are weeping and praying more and more. Oh Sri Krishna, when we have seen your chest, your face, your chest, your hands, and very attractive mood, and Balu Vakya, what are her sweet words. At that time, we forgot all things. Now, so you are going other way. You don't want me. No problem. We are not making any disturbance you. Oh my dear Krishna, Tatte Sujat Charanam Muruham Stare Subhita Sane Priyadadi Mahi Karkasesu Tena Tavi Madasitat Bethate Nakimsit Kurupadivi Brahmatidhi Bhavadayusamna Jate Sujata Charanam Muruham. Big pond in the autumn season, they are blossoming lotus. So your feet, your lotus feet, so very soft and very cool. And give him pleasure to everyone. Oh my dear Sri Krishna, you took birth from Yashoda. You are Yashoda's son. So we have love and affection to you. This time, so you left us. So always we are afraid. So your soft mind, soft heart, soft body, and soft feet. So you are hiding in real place, in cave, and where have thrown. And behind jungle, big forest, so there are you hiding. You don't be hiding there. So we are not making any problems. So you take our heart, mind, knowledge, all things. We have nothing. We have only little age. So we are living in this body. Nowadays, so we offer our all age to you. Oh my dear Sri Krishna, you live long life in Brajabhumi. And all the time you can play and you become happy. Your happiness is our happiness. So we are dying, we are going in the separation mood. We left body, so we are going. You don't worry and don't be unhappy. At that time when Brajagopi is moved, only one would to Sri Krishna, they never want anything else. So only for Sri Krishna they are moved. That time Sri Krishna could not stay, so at once he came there. Tasam avirabhut sauri Smayamana mukham bhuya Pitambardhar swagvi साक्षात मन्मथ कोटि कंदर्प मोहन billion cupids Sri Krishna attracted to them. So how much beautiful Indra Nilmani, thousands moon, thousands sun. So his effulgence, so beautiful form manifest there. At that time, Smayamanam Mukhambujam is a smiling face. And that time, Pitambara Dharasagvi, he took Pitambar one cloth like garland and come in there. Oh, I have offense. Oh, Brajagopi, please forgive me. So I have gone. So you are open for me. That time he put one garland. Oh, Brajagopi, so you are giving me garlands. That garland, so now still have in my chest. I am not going any other place. So showing, but Sukadeva Goswami told, he is sorry, Vasudev Nandan, sons of Vasudev, nowadays. So he very straight and very hard is hard. So he hiding there. And Brajagopis are weeping at that time. So all Brajagopis, they stand up. Many persons, they catch their hand, Sri Krishna's hand. Many persons, they are something far or looking, oh, you are hiding and you become happy. So when we are weeping, then you become happy. So your happiness, okay. Sometimes, something, rose mood, so they are saying by the eyes. After then, all Brajagopis, they took Sri Krishna and they put their clothes and sat there. While Sri Krishna sat with Brajagopis, and that time Brajagopis asked to Sri Krishna, how is your praying? How is your love and affections? At that time, so what they are saying, and Sri Krishna how gave answers, and how Sri Krishna controlled by Brajagopis. And he told, so I become dead to you. I could not. So I could not give anything else. So Gurudev speaking now. So now I stop here.
Very good. Thank you. कृष्ण बड़े लज्जित होकर के गोपियों के सामने आए। वही वनमाला जो गोपियों ने दी थी और गले में पीताम्बर लगाया और हाथ जोड़ करके मानो लज्जित होकर के गोपियों से क्षमा मांग रहे हैं। उस समय में गोपियों ने कृष्ण को चारों तरफ से घेर लिया और एक एक दल की गोपियों ने अपने अपने दुपट्टे, जिसमें उनके अंगों का अंगरा कुमकुम लगा हुआ है, आसन बनाया। विपक्ष की सखियों का एक, स्वपक्ष की गोपियों का एक, तटस्था का एक, सुकृत का एक, ऐसे विभिन्न गोपियों के आसन बने। उन आसन पर कृष्ण को बड़े प्रेम से बैठाया। बैठाने के बाद में किसी ने उनके चरणों को अपने हाथों में गोदी में ले लिया। कौन लिया? चंद्रा, सभ्या, पद्मा इत्यादि ने। और किसी ने उनका हाथ अपने कंधे पर ले लिया, किसी ने उनका हाथ अपने हाथों में ले लिया। ये श्यामला, भद्रा इत्यादि सखियां, और कोई बड़ी दूर से अपने आंखों के बाण से उनको बेध रही है। वो कौन है? श्रीमती राधिका जी। तुम बड़े ठग हो, तुम पर विश्वास करके हम लोगों ने घर बार, स्त्री, पुत्र, परिवार सब कुछ छोड़ा और तुम हमें छोड़ करके अंतर ध्यान हो गए। इतना कष्ट दिया, इसलिए अपने आंखों के बाण से उनको मारो, छेद रही है। इसके बाद में गोपियों ने पूछा पहेली, कृष्ण तुम तो सभी कुछ जानते हो, हमारी एक पहेली का उत्तर दो। पहेली किसको कहते हैं? पहेली समझती हो? बुझाऊआ, बुझाऊआ, बतलाओ। देखो, कोई एक व्यक्ति किसी से प्रेम करता है और तब वह व्यक्ति उसको भी प्रेम करता है, परस्पर प्रेम करते हैं। और कोई ऐसा है जो प्रेम करे और ना करे, उन सबको प्यार करता है, प्रेम करता है। और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो कोई प्रेम करे और ना करे, वो किसी को भी प्रेम नहीं करते। गोपियों का तात्पर्य था इसी से, हम लोग प्रेम कर रही हैं तो भी नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए कृष्ण को अपने मुख से ही ये साबित कर रही हैं, उनके मुख से ही कहलवाना चाहती हैं कि तुम कहो जो तुम दोषी हो। इसलिए इस प्रकार से कृष्ण मुस्कुराए और इनकी इस पहेली का उत्तर ये दिया। देखो प्यारी गोपियों, जो प्रेम करने पर प्रेम करता है वो तो बनिया का बिजनेस है, इसमें प्रेम भी नहीं है, धर्म नहीं है, सौहार्द नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, केवल बनियागिरी है। मैं ऐसा प्रेम नहीं करता। और कुछ लोग हैं प्रेम न करें या करें, वो माता पिता और गुरु है, पुत्र और शिष्य यदि प्रेम नहीं करते भी हैं तो भी उन्हें प्रीति करते हैं, इनका कल्याण चाहते हैं, इनका जीवन सुखमय शांतिमय हो। ये बड़े दयालु हैं। तुम लोग इस कोटि में हो गोपियों। कोई हम प्रेम नहीं करते हैं तभी तुम हमसे प्रेम करते हो, सब समय तुम लोग हमको सुखी बनाना चाहती है, इस कोटि में तो तुम लोग हो। और तीसरे जो प्रेम करे और ना करे, ये 4 प्रकार के हैं। पहला आत्माराम, जो आत्मा में रमण करते हैं, सब समय सुखी है, उनको किसी की जरूरत नहीं है। जैसे सुखदेव गोस्वामी है, कोई उनको प्रेम करे ना प्रेम करे उनसे कोई मतलब नहीं, वो तो अपने आत्मा में रमण कर रहे हैं। किंतु मैं आत्माराम नहीं हूं। क्यों? मेरी आत्मा तो राधिका जी है, मैं उसमें रमण करता हूं बिना गोपियों के मैं रह नहीं सकता। इसलिए मैंने बंसी बजा करके तुमको बुलाया, तुम लोगों के साथ में रास इत्यादि डांस किया, इसलिए मैं कहा आत्माराम, आत्मा रमण हूं, मैं आत्माराम नहीं हूं। और फिर आप्तकाम, जिनकी सारी कामनाएं मिट गई, हमको कोई चीज की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ की जरूरत नहीं है। इसी कोटि के सनत 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 इत्यादि, उनको कोई कामना वासना संसारिक है ही नहीं है, उनसे प्रेम करो ना करो, उनसे कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो अपने रास्ते पर चले जाएंगे। किंतु मैं आत्मकाम भी नहीं हूं, हमारी कामना नहीं हुई थी, इसलिए तो बंसी से बजाया, तुम लोगों के साथ में रास किया, और तुमको खुश करने के लिए मैं कितना ये सब तुम्हारे साथ में नाच और गान कर रहा हूं, इसलिए मैं आत्मकाम भी नहीं। और तीसरा है कृतज्ञ, अकृतज्ञ, माने जो की हुई भलाई को नहीं मानता। किसी ने उसके साथ में बड़ी भलाई की है और वो नहीं मानता, जैसे पिता माता है, पुत्र उनकी संतान है, माता पिता ने उनका पालन किया, बड़े प्रेम से पढ़ाया लिखाया योग्य किया। ऐसे पिता माता का जो आदर नहीं करता, उनसे प्रीति नहीं रखता, वे तो कोटि कौटि कल्पों में न जाने कहां किस नरक में गिरेंगे। जरूर माता पिता के प्रति आदर और सेवावृत्ति हो, तो जो ऐसे माता पिता के प्रति भी अपने कर्तव्य का पालन नहीं करता, प्रेम नहीं करता, आदर नहीं देता, सेवा नहीं करता, तो वो अकृतज्ञ है। मैं अकृतज्ञ भी नहीं हूं। देखो तो कृतज्ञ होता तो तुम्हें तुम्हारे रोने पर आ जाता, मैं नहीं आता। मैं सब समय तुम लोगों के निकट ही रहता हूं, इसलिए हमको अकृतज्ञ मत। और एक होता है गुरुद्रोही। गुरुद्रोही माने गुरु के प्रति विद्रोह करने वाला। गुरु ने उसको सब कुछ किया और गुरु और माता पिता सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, किंतु पुत्र कुपुत्र उनसे अकारण और कारण किसी कारण से उनका वृद्धाचरण करता है। जब पिताजी या गुरु जी वृद्ध हो गए तो खांसने लगे, खांसी आई। क्या दिन रात खांसता है, हमारे बच्चे सो नहीं पाते, अनादर करता है, ये कारण है। और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं बिना कारण ही गुरु और पिता को तरह तरह से कष्ट देते हैं, घर से निकाल देते हैं। आजकल ऐसा ही पाश्चात्य देशों में, इंडिया में भी हो रहा है। अपने वृद्ध माता पिता को घर से निकाल देते हैं, उनकी सेवा नहीं करते, तो ये अकारण ये गुरुद्रोही है। मैं इसमें भी नहीं हूं, तो ये कितने हुए? एक तो जो प्रेम करता है वो प्रेम करता है, एक दूसरा बिना हेतु के ही प्रेम करता है, और तीसरा आत्मराम आप्तकाम, और इसके बाद में अकृतज्ञ और गुरुद्रोही 2 प्रकार के, ये सब मिलकर के 6 प्रकार के लोग हुए। मैं इसमें नहीं हूं, किंतु किसी में भी नहीं हूं। क्यों? नहं तु सख्यो भजतोपि जंतुन भजामि ईशाम अनुवृत्य वित्तये यथा धनो लब्ध धने विनष्टे तच्चिंतयान निपृतो न वेद। ओह सखियों, मैं जो भजन करते हैं उनका मैं भजन नहीं करता, हमसे प्रेम करते हैं, दिखला करके मैं प्रेम नहीं करता, छेद करके करता हूं। तो ऐसे तुम हमसे प्रेम कर रही हो, मैं छेद करके तुमसे अंतर ध्यान हो गया था। किस लिए अंतर ध्यान हो गया? जगत के लोग समझें कि इनकी विरह में कैसी दशा हो रही है। ऐसा किसी का नहीं होता, भूतो न भविष्य। और ये गोपियां ही, और गोपियों में राधा जी हमको ही सबसे प्रिय है। यह जगत में दिखलाने के लिए विरह में कैसा उनका हो जाता है और जैसा, और मिलन में कैसे आनंदित होती हैं, इसकी कोई तुलना नहीं है। इसलिए हे सखियों, भजो तो भी जंतु, मैं जो भजन करते हैं उनकी उत्कंठा बढ़ाने के लिए, जैसे नारद जी एक बार झलक दर्शन दी और इसके बाद अंतर ध्यान हो गए, बोले जी अब मेरा दर्शन नहीं होगा, उनकी उत्कंठा बढ़ाने के लिए। इसलिए उत्कंठा तुम लोगों की बढ़ाने के लिए मिलन में जितनी उत्कंठा होगी भगवान उतने ही शीघ्र मिलेंगे, इसलिए तुम्हारी उत्कंठा बढ़ाने के लिए किया। जैसे कोई गरीब आदमी है, निर्धन आदमी, कहीं से उसको एक मणि मिल गई, चिंतामणि, बड़ा खुश हुआ, किंतु किसी ने चुरा लिया या वो गुम हो गई। अब तो दिन रात उसी की चिंता करता है। इसीलिए मैं कभी प्रकट होकर के दर्शन दे करके फिर अंतर ध्यान हो जाता हूं कि इसी उत्कंठा के साथ में लोग हमें भजन करें। इसलिए प्यारी गोपियों, मतलब एवं मध्वत्थो छित लोक वेदा कि मई अनुवृत्ते बला मया परोक्षम भजतां इहो हितं वा श्रुतम्। गोपियों, ये सखियों, तुम हमसे द्वेष मत करो, तुम हमारी प्राण प्रिया सखियां और मैं तुम्हारा प्राण प्रिय हूं। इसलिए तुम लोगों का प्रेम और बढ़ाने के लिए, उत्कंठित करने के लिए मैं आंखों से ओझल हो गया, गया कहीं नहीं था। मैं सब सुन रहा था जो तुम लोग कीर्तन कर रही थी और मैं हृदय में गदगद हो रहा था। इसलिए मत समझो कि तुम लोगों को मैंने छोड़ दिया, इसलिए तुम लोग संतुष्ट हो जाओ और हम पर प्रसन्न हो। न पारे हम निर्वद्य संयुजं सुसाधु कृत्या विविधा जुषा विवत माँ भजन दुर्जर गृह श्रृंखला संवृक्ष तद्व पतिजात साधुना। हे गोपियों, मैं जन्म जन्मांतर में ब्रह्मा की करोड़ों करोड़ों वर्ष की आयु प्राप्त करके भी तुम्हारे ऋण से पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता। अच्छा, क्यों नहीं? आप तो भगवान हैं, आप तो सब कुछ इच्छा पूर्ण कर सकते हैं। कृष्ण ने कहा जी ये संभव नहीं है। तुम लोगों से यदि कहूं जब वर मांगो तो तुम लोग यही कहेगी अपनी सेवा दीजिए, और तो कुछ मांगोगे नहीं। सेवा करने से और मैं तुम्हारा ऋणी हो जाऊंगा, इसलिए तुम लोग बड़ी सुखित हो। अपने गुण से, सहृदयता से हमको क्षमा कर दो तुम लोग, किंतु मैं तो तुम्हारा सदा के लिए ही ऋणी ही रहूंगा, कभी तुम्हारे ऋण से उन्मुक्त नहीं होऊंगा। सुन करके गोपियां मुस्कुराने लगी, कहे केशव प्यारे कृष्ण, तुम हार करके भी तुम ही जीते, क्योंकि तुमने कहा कि मैं गोपियों का ऋणी हूं, इसलिए तुम नहीं बल्कि हम तुम्हारी ऋणी हैं। कैसे सुंदर ये सब डायलॉग है। कृष्ण और गोपियों का कैसा उन्नत प्रेम है। न कृष्ण को उनसे कोई चाह है, न गोपियों को किसी में कोई कामना नहीं है। कृष्ण प्रसन्न होते हैं गोपियों को प्रसन्न होकर के देखकर, और गोपियां प्रसन्न होती हैं कृष्ण को। दोनों एक से, कोई जीतता हारता नहीं है, चले जाते हैं। बढ़ने के लिए कोई स्थान नहीं है तो भी ये बढ़ते जाते। ऐसा गोपियों का प्रेम है। कृष्ण इसी प्रेम को दिखलाना चाहते हैं जगत में। प्रेम हो तो ऐसा, इस प्रकार से एक कीर्तन करो। ओ ट्रांसलेशन,
Please be ready for drama. So, as the gopis finished their gopi git, that time Sri Krishna returned to the arena of the gopis. How did he look at that time? Tesham abruchori smayamanam kodgitam pitam baladra sradvi shakshat manmata. He appeared very shy, just like a criminal. When you catch him, he appears like that. He had his chada wrapped around his neck like a garland or like a begging cloth. And he was smiling slightly. That time each gopi, they offered their anshal, means their very fine cloth covered with the kumkum, the cosmetics from their body, they placed on the ground in the form of an asan or a seat for Krishna. Each of the different types of gopis offered one seat, one after another. The Vipaksh gopis offered one seat. The Swapaksh gopis offered another. The Tatastha gopis offered another. In this way, millions of gopis made a seat for Krishna to sit on. Some gopis took the feet of Krishna. Which gopis took the feet? That was the Vipaksh gopis, headed by Chandravali, Saibya and Padma. Some gopis took the hands of Krishna. Who is that? The Sudit gopis like Shama. Some gopis from a distance was glancing in an angry mood towards Krishna. Who is that? Srimati Radhika. By glance she was saying, "Oh Krishna, you are a big cheetah. We left everything for you, our husbands, our children, our parents, but you also left us." Therefore by her glance she was piercing Krishna. Immortal Kanchana. Therefore the gopis asked a question to Krishna. Can you answer our riddle? Which type of person are you? There are three types of persons. Someone who loves them only if you love them. And another type of person, if you love them, you give love to them, whether you love them or not, still they give love to you. And the third person, whether you love them or don't love them, they don't care. They still do not give their affection to anyone. O Krishna, of these three types of persons, which one are you? Then Krishna answered, I am definitely not in the first category. If you love someone, then they love you because this is simply business. There is no question of service or prem or pure affection. This is only a business relationship. I am not that category. And I am definitely not the second category. What is that? That you love that person whether they love you or not. But I am not that also. You are like that, gopis. The example is like the mother or father. And the second portion of that is the guru. The guru, mother and father, and the spiritual master give all their affection to the disciple or to the child. Whether they reciprocate or not, the guru or the mother and father always wish for the welfare of the child or this disciple. Therefore Krishna said, I am not like that, but gopis, you are like that. And the third category, I am not that also. What is that? Whether you love them or not, they don't care. They will not reciprocate. They are of four types, Krishna said. One is Atmaram, someone who is self-satisfied. One is Aptakam, one who has no material desires. One is Akritagya, one who is ungrateful. And the third is Guru Drohi, one who rejects the Guru or the spiritual master. Krishna said, I am not those four types either. Why? Atmaram means one who is self-satisfied. Krishna said, I am not self-satisfied, otherwise why I played the flute, why I called the gopis for Ras Leela, why I danced with you. Also Radhika is my Atma, therefore I called her here. Therefore I am not Atmaram. Then, are you Aptakam? Krishna said, I am not Aptakam. One who has no desires. I'm not like the four Kumaras who sit there and meditate all day. I have desire. Therefore I called you. I danced with you. I talked with you. I did many activities with you and I tried to please you. Therefore I am not Aptakam. I am not the third category. I am not Akritagya, ungrateful. Why? Because I came back here. Therefore I am not guilty of that. Just like the mother and father always endeavor for the welfare of the child by feeding the child, sending him to school. Then mother and father go to great suffering for the benefit and welfare of the child. But that child who does not love or respect or serve the mother and father, that child is called Akritagya. I am not that because I return to you. And lastly, I am not the fourth type. I am not Guru Drohi. Guru Drohi is worse than Akritagya because someone may be neglectful, but the Guru Drohi acts against the mother and father, or acts against the spiritual master. The Guru does everything for the disciple, but the disciple has very bad behavior. He gives suffering to the Guru for no reason. Just like the son, after he's married, he brings the father to his home, and then father is old age and coughing. Then the child, hey, old Buddha, old fool, why are you coughing? My child cannot sleep. Go somewhere else and die. Therefore, for no reason, he is only giving suffering to the mother and father. This is called Guru Drohi, one who rejects the Guru or the mother and father. Gurudev said, now this mood also coming in India. Stick mother and father in the old person's home, get them out of the house. Therefore Krishna said, of these four types, I am none of these. Then the gopis smiled. And which type are you? Why did you leave us if you are none of these four? Sorry, none of these six. And 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, no? 6. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Anyway, sure. Gurudev said 6. Then they said, which one of these 6 or 7 are you? Then Krishna said, I am none of these above mentioned number. Because I do not directly reciprocate with the living entities when they serve me immediately. Why? I reciprocate in a delayed form or a hidden manner. Why? Just so that your separation for me could increase. Therefore Krishna hid from Ras Leela for many reasons. One, that everyone could understand Srimati Radhika is the best, because despite the presence of millions of gopis without Radhika, Krishna was not happy. Also, the world could understand what is Prem by hearing this chanting of the Gopi Geet. Thirdly, people could understand the glories of Radhika in separation from Krishna and also her ecstasy in meeting with Krishna. Therefore, Krishna said, in order to increase your love for me, I disappeared. Like Narad, Krishna gave him darshan just for 1 second in the heart. Then he disappeared. Then Narad became mad in separation. So he increased Narad's enthusiasm for bhajan by disappearing. Krishna said, I do bhajan like that. Just like a miser finds a chintamani. When he loses that chintamani, how much he'll cry. He'll become mad. Therefore Krishna says to gopis, to increase your separation,